about how a reverse mortgage can help senior homeowners live more financially secure, but a reverse mortgage can also be used for other reasons. Find out more from Brad Friedman. He's a reverse director at Reverse Mortgage.pro. Good morning to you, and we're talking reverse mortgages. We're seeing more and more and hearing more and more about this, but people just don't understand it.
That's right. Reverse mortgage is a simple program. It's a program that was designed by HUD to allow seniors to use some of the equity in their home to live a little more financially secure. To be able to take that equity out and without a monthly payment to repay it, to use that money towards improving their financial life, do some home improvements and such. And it doesn't take much to qualify for the reverse mortgage.
And you hear that word mortgage, so you think you're just thinking about paying off the house or how that relates to your house, but there's other ways that you can use a reverse mortgage?
There are, and it is a mortgage. The only difference between a reverse mortgage and a regular mortgage, like you or I would get not being seniors, is there is no monthly payment. It's still paid back. So a senior over the age of 62 who has some equity in their home can take some of that equity out of their home without monthly payments to live financially more secure, to extend their retirement savings, to do home improvements, to take some money out on a monthly basis to live more comfortably.
And so when we're talking seniors, we're talking about people that are probably retired.
Yes.
They're the perfect candidate for this?
They are. Studies have shown that most seniors, more than half, don't have sufficient retirement funds saved to last 10 years. But they've built up all this equity in their home. So a lot of seniors end up being house rich and cash poor. The reverse mortgage is a way that HUD designed to be able to use some of that equity without strapping the senior on a monthly basis.
Right, and we've been talking about how some people, they don't understand it, so they might be afraid of like a new product, but the people that you work with, are they happy with their decisions to get a reverse mortgage?
They are. We take a very educational approach, and HUD encourages a very educational approach to the reverse mortgage, because the reverse mortgage sounds like you're going backwards, and you're not. You're actually using some of that money to be able to live financially more secure. Our surveys have shown that the educational approach that we take with senior and their family allow them to understand the program a little bit better, and again, that makes them more comfortable. AARP, which is a great organization for seniors, has done some studies. 93% of seniors feel that the reverse mortgage has financially benefited them. And it's hard to get 93% of seniors to agree.
93% is a high number.
Yeah, they don't agree on much. 93% is, but again, it's because the process makes sure the senior and their family understand the reverse mortgage before it's put in place.
And another misconception may be that they think they're not going to own their home anymore if they do decide to get a reverse mortgage.
That's the biggest myth with regards to the reverse mortgage, that the senior no longer owns their home. They absolutely own their home, and the home will still be inherited by whomever they're going to leave the property to. All this is a mortgage. It's a way to tap into some of that equity without having monthly payments, because most seniors on a fixed income, they can't afford to make the monthly payments.
And of course, you're just giving us an overview, and there seems like there's so much to learn about it, but what information is available?
We have a lot of information available. Now, first of all, when you're calling into Reverse Mortgage.pro, you're not calling into a call center someplace. You're calling us right here in Hampton Roads. We're a Hampton Roads company. We would prefer to come out and sit down at the kitchen table in an unpressured environment to make sure that the senior understands what the reverse mortgage is all about before anybody does anything. There's no signing of any paperwork at that stage. It's just an educational process. And of course, we have DVDs and we have the educational materials. We have a new magazine called Elder and Wiser, which explains not just the reverse mortgage program, but goes over a lot of senior issues. Okay,
sounds good. If you would like maybe a personalized meeting to learn more about reverse mortgage, you can go to reversemortgage.pro or give them a call at 722-6800, extension 315. You can also call 855-REVERSE. Thanks for being here today.
Thank you.